I want to take this time to show you guys what I consider to be one of the best DJI Neo2's accessory, and this is DJI Neo2 accessory case. This thing can carry your RC2 controller. As you guys can see, I'm gonna start with the controller. You can flip it down like that. You have the controller, and then you can also lock it back down. You see the bottom part right here? It allows you for the straps, Velcro, and then here you can go open it up, and now you have your DJI Neo2 controller. You have the gimbal guards to protect it from hitting something. And matter of fact, let me do this. If you are interested in lights for your drone, man, you definitely want to stay tuned because this thing is pretty cool. I'm gonna remove this, which is something cool, using Velcro, so I can separate the case, the controller from the case. That way, if I don't need the controller, I can just carry this by itself. I have loops right here where I can put carrying straps. I can also use smaller ones, so I just have a double, but it can stand. Even with this on the back, it can still stand. But now let's open the controller case. So this is the controller case. You have the DJI Neo2 here. Now I don't have the prop guards on it, but even with the prop guards, which are this, it will still fit in there. I just usually take this off, that way I can have a better flying experience. So if you're the type of person that leaves this on, it will still fit in here. So let's put that to the side, and then what we have here, we have extra spare battery. Now this side can also be used for the spare batteries, but instead of spare batteries, I just chose to use this right here, which is for my gimbal protection, which is this right here. Basically, it protects, because I usually take the straps off. So this goes at the bottom, and this locks in right there. So, and you can see the space right here. This is for is to compress when it hits something. That way it doesn't break or damage anything. So yeah, I have that mounted there, and I store it right here. But if you have extra batteries, you can actually store the batteries right here. You just have to remove this. Here you have your screwdriver for your extra props in case you break one of these. Obviously you have your spare right here. And what do I have here? Let me show you guys, because this is really cool. Open it up. I've got ND filters right here. So I have these 3 ND filters, which is ND8, 16, and 32. Those are the ones that you're gonna need the most when you're outdoors flying. And then over here I have a UV filter on the lens. So if I need any of these filters, I can just swap them out. And this little thing right here, I actually made it from styrofoam. So from one of these styrofoams, I cut it up and I made it. So this is the first one that I made. It was good, but it wasn't perfect. I like it to be perfect. And so I just cut it up and made it into that. And then I have my extra props, propellers in here. And then I have a USB-C cable. And then I have the screws. So that way, if one of the propellers breaks or whatever, I can just change them out. So basically, this case allows me to carry everything that I need for the drone. My extra battery is right here, and the screwdriver, the gimbal protection, is right there. And then obviously I just cover the drone, cover the gimbal, and just put it right in there. And obviously with the antennas, because the antennas are so fragile, because we got this thing sticking out, this thing still fits, which is pretty cool. And when it does closes, it does not collapse. This little space right here is actually supposed to give it gives room for this right here. So this is a very well thought of. Like I said, there's still space on the side, so if you want to keep this in there, it will still fit. But I love it, just perfect. So how do you get this case if you want it? Well, This is all 3D printed, by the way. So if you have a 3D printer, or you know someone who has a 3D printer, or you want to contact PCBWay or something like that, there's a guy that actually designed this file right here. He designed this case, and what I did was I used my 3D printer to print this out. I used PLA Plus. PLA Plus is stronger than regular PLA, so it gives me the durability that I want on this. And then I add different colors. So I had red for this, red for the flap inside, and then for the hinge I also have red. And then for this part right here, so somebody designed an actual DJI RC2 controller, and what I did was I modified the controller that way it looks like this, and I also modified it that way I can put velcros. That way if I want to fly together, if I want to fly with a controller, I just velcro it together. And trust me guys, I've already taken this out multiple times and it is not going anywhere, and it also still stands. And yeah, it's very secure, and if I don't need the controller, I just take it off. But this is absolutely one of the best things you can have for your drone. Now here's something cool, right? You see this H, you can also use this as your landing pad. So if you're on the field, in the grass, or you're at the beach, you can simply just place your drone on this, and the drone will fly off and it will land exactly there, because the DJI Neo2 is very accurate in terms of landing. It is the most accurate drone I've ever had when it comes to landing on the exact same spot. But anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you like one of these, once again, I'm gonna put a link to the STL files. That way you can print and download it for your drone if you have a 3D printer. If you don't have a 3D printer, you know, contact somebody who has one, or contact PCBWay, or I don't know what else you can do, but maybe invest in a 3D printer because it's so worth it. There's so much you can do with a 3D printer. In fact, I printed this out to protect the antennas for when it's in my backpack. So there's a lot of stuff that I've already 3D printed for this drone. It's just what I have right here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.